Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting opportunity for you, a brand new 3-bedroom house for sale in the vibrant city of Negombo. Join us as we explore this charming property and all it has to offer. Located in the heart of Negombo, this newly built house is the epitome of modern living. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious and inviting living space, perfect for entertaining guests or unwinding after a long day. The kitchen, complete with pantry cupboards, offers ample storage and workspace, making meal preparation a breeze. This house features 3 comfortable bedrooms, providing plenty of space for the whole family to relax and recharge. The well-appointed bathroom ensures convenience and comfort for you and your loved ones. Outside, you'll find a designated car parking area, providing secure parking for your vehicle. Now, if you're interested in making this beautiful house your home, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the provided contact number 769092299. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this wonderful property in Negombo, a city known for its vibrant culture and stunning beaches. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more amazing properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.